Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mom and Me Educational. Today I am going to show you my art and craft album or file. Okay, this is the front page. You can see I have made with the pista shells, some glitter paper. See, this is my front page. Okay, এটা আমার প্রথম পাতা দেখো আমরা কিভাবে বানিয়েছি. Okay, so now look here. This is my second page. Subject is art and craft. Okay, this is my index, how I made. এইভাবে আমি আমার ইন্ডেক্সটা বানিয়েছি দেখো. These are the topics. The first one is fingerprint, then bead pasting, spray painting, photo frame, creativity on 5 birds. I have made 5 birds with different items or materials. 5 রকমের পাখি বানিয়েছি different material ইউজ করে. ক্রিয়েটিভিটি অন 5 পেটস অ্যানিমাল, যেগুলো আমরা বাড়িতে পুষি এমন অ্যানিমাল বানিয়েছি. আই মেড দিস উইথ ডিফারেন্ট মেটেরিয়ালস. ওকে, ক্রিয়েটিভিটি অফ 5 wild animals also, leaf rubbing, crayon scrapping, collage, sack printing. Okay, this I have made in this album. Okay, now I am going to show each and everything. You can take reference to make this kind of album for your child. Okay, this is my introduction, what I have made in this album or file. I have written here as the introduction. Okay, so the first topic, as I show you, that is the fingerprint. Here I explained each and everything what I have done in this particular craft. So I have written each and everything how I made this. This is fingerprint. Okay, next one is bead pasting. Bead pasting, this is spray painting. This is my photo frame. Okay, I made this with ice cream sticks. Okay, already I have explained each and everything how I have made this. Now my creativity on 5 birds. So this is my peacock. I have made this with the plastic spoon. This is my cute owl. I have made this with old coins. Okay, 50 paise coins. Okay, you can see. My cute swan. Okay, so I explain each and everything how I made this. You can see, you can check. This is my eagle. Actually this album I have made with waste material. Okay, very less money I use for this album. You can see. This is my penguin. I made this with the old sock, my daughter's old sock. I made this. পুরনো মোজা দিয়ে বানিয়েছি এই আমার পেঙ্গুইনটাকে. ওকে, দেখতেই পাচ্ছ. You can see. Now pets animal has come. First one is cat. I made this with paper plate. I paint this and I made this paper plate cat. My dog. Okay, cutie rabbit. I made this with cotton. তুলো দিয়ে বানিয়েছি এটা আমি. This is my parrot. I made this with crumble paper, green crumble paper. ছোট ছোট কাগজকে কুচি কুচি করে তাকে এরম করে মুড়ে মুড়ে এটা বানিয়েছি আমি, আঠার সাহায্যে জুড়ে বানিয়েছি। ওকে, my fish, lion, okay, my elephant, my crocodile, my polar bear, my leaf rubbing. I explained how I made this. আমি প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস এক্সপ্লেন করেছি আমি কিভাবে বানিয়েছি, লেখাগুলোই দেখলেই বুঝতে পারবে আমি কিভাবে বানিয়েছি, each and everything. This is crayon scrabbing. This is my collage. Collage means different materials I used here. Different materials, different colors, paper I use here. So let me show you the first picture. Okay. Next, this one. This is my last, I think. One more. That is sack printing. Okay, sack printing. I made this one tree with sack print and one tortoise কচ্ছপ বানিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? So end of my this album. Thank you. If you like my album, kindly comment. Okay, and thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.